Hey guys, Nick Riggy here, Techmaster 00. Today, as I said in the recap or overview, I said that my next tutorial was going to be on case fans. Um, Case fans is just this thing. It's the thing that your computer is, or that your whole motherboard and all that stuff is in. Um, okay, so there is, I believe, 4 different sizes of fans. There might be 5, but these are the 4 most popular. um, there are 2 different type of fans, but there's 4 different sizes. Um, the type of fans are case fans, which is a fan that is used to cool off the whole case, motherboard, parts, power supply, all that. And there is I usually call them back fans. Like, they go in the back of the case or in the front. Mine's right here in the front. So I call them front fans, back fans. This is the front fan. It's just a regular little fan. They keep all the dust and stuff from floating into your computer. And my power supply has 2 fans in it. One in the front to cool off, and one in the back to keep dust out of coming from the back. So front fan. This is just a little wire coming off for to put in the motherboard. One cool thing about this fan, there's a little thing on the top. You can put your wires in it, and it keeps everything more organized. Like, if you have a bunch of wires everywhere, you can just put that in there and twist the little holders, and it won't come out. Well, that's a small wire, but you know, that's not really. Yeah, whatever. But if it was like a SATA cable or something. See? SATA cable. If it's just hanging out, you can open up these little fellers. Just put that in there. And there you go. That's not coming out. And then I call these case fans. This is it's made by Big Boy. Big Boy because it's a huge fan. And I'll get into the size of this in a minute. Big Boy fan. It's just an overdose of a fan usage. You don't need this thing. I think this thing spins at 5,000 RPM. Yeah, 5,000 RPM. That's pretty nice, considering your average one. Big Boy fan. Sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought. So yeah, this cools off your whole case, motherboard, power supply, hard drive, like video cards, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so now sizes. I don't have any other ones here, but this is a 120 meter or millimeter fan. They're usually the biggest that you'll find. I'm sure they make bigger ones, but the 120 is the biggest you want to go. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting your money, I promise. There are the little 80 millimeter ones, which are pretty nice. They come in LED and all that. When I get my new case, I'm gonna be getting 2 LED, or there's 4 LED blue fans built in with a side panel on the side, so that'll be pretty nice. So there's 80 millimeters, there's a 90 millimeter, one which is like the same as the 80, just a little bit more powerful. Then there's the 100, which is the same thing, just more powerful. And then finally the 120. The 120 is probably the master of all, but they're not needed. All fans usually nowadays come with LED. This is an old computer, but it gets me where I need to go, so I stuck with it for a while. Until I think around mid-April, I'll be getting all my new parts and I'll be building it. That's when I'll be making the actual video on how to build the computer. So front fans and back fans, they're usually a 90 or no, they're a 90 millimeter fan inside this giant little case thing. But yeah, that's a case fan. In your case, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. There's nothing in here except wires because I took my motherboard out. But okay, you can. This sorry. This case was made specifically for all these parts: the motherboard, the fan, power supply, everything. And this is a Dell. I hate Dells. As you can see, there's slots here all along for the fans. And this thing just slides right in. I can get it to. Okay, here we go. Very difficult trying to do this with it standing up. Here we go. Alright. So that just kind of sits there like that. And it blows dust and stuff back. And there's always going to be a clip for a fan if it's not mounted to the side or anything. Then we got my big boy fan. Same thing, just put it in and it stays, hopefully. That one went in a little easier. A little crooked, but it's a tutorial. I could care less. But yeah, that's fans, everyone. So yeah, have any questions, comments, please feel free to do so. Peace. Hey guys, Nick Ricky here. I just wanted to tell you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechMaster00, just so you get all of the updates when I post a new tutorial or video, and please watch them in high definition so you get the greatest experience out of them. Thanks. See you later.